Okay, so the tornado came from that direction. I don't know if you can see that because of the sun, and took the top off of that tree right there and flung it into the roof. I don't know if you can see that up there. There's a tarp on it right now, but it flung this piece of wood and that piece over there into the roof, and it went right through it. And as the tornado went across, it took out this tree, which is a big, huge poplar. I don't know if you can get an idea how big that is, but there's the Jeep over there. It's twice the size. And as this tree fell down, it hit my hickory tree, which is a little smaller tree, but it was right there. You can kind of see it under there. Two trees on top of each other. What are they doing in there? And it blew debris all over the place. We've pretty much cleaned up all the debris out of the yard. Oh, there's some we forgot. But this type of limb was all over the yard. I mean, big limbs. Back here too. There's my little trailer that I tore up, me and Brandon tore down. And we come back here, and you can see this tree we limbed up kind of. Stop it. Did I lose power? What are we doing? Yeah, okay, so we lost power. So we're gonna take this out of there. Thank you, Mr. Selfie Stick. This tree was in front of my shed, my shop, and they hooked the electrical right up to the tree. That's just crazy. It's off. So there's that root ball, and that tore up that corner. If we come around over here, and we've been stacking wood. Somebody's working. There's Christy's lawnmower with a tree on top of it. Tore that. Let's see if I can get over here. Yeah, that tree went right through the building and rained on all my stuff. And then you can go over and look at it from the other side. This is probably a 3.5 feet around, 4 feet around. There's a El Lago and El Buildingo. Crushed my Lowe's storage rack. Dadgummit. Yep. And there's the base of this one. And that's about the extent of it. Brandon's here. This little tree stump over here was the one that fell on the Jeep. You can see that right there. I cut that up first because I was mad at it. That tree was as big as these trees here. And my Jeep was parked right there where the truck is. And it got destroyed.